We are in the crosshairs here of Hurricane Matthew. In fact, families here are being warned of winds up to 125 miles per hour in the coming hours. At this hour, 12 million Americans are now under a hurricane warning as Matthew gets closer and closer to the U.S. coastline. Take a look at the images coming in as we begin tonight. It is now a Category 4 from Hollywood, Florida tonight, the deadly storm already being felt along the Florida coast. President Obama today declaring a state of emergency. This is how the storm looked as it blasted through the Bahamas just hours ago. On its way toward the U.S., we have a team there tonight. Mandatory evacuations underway here at home. Florida's governor issuing a dire warning today, and you heard him moments ago, this storm will kill you. You can see the hurricane closing in roughly 100 miles now from Florida, winds at 140 miles per hour. The National Weather Service warning of a possible catastrophic storm surge right here in Florida. I can tell you the winds are picking up. The rain is now coming down here in Jacksonville. It is being felt up and down the coast here in Florida. We want to get right to our team coverage tonight, beginning with Chief Meteorologist Ginger Zee. And when everyone wants to know the new track tonight, when Matthew will hit and where. Ginger, good evening.
Good evening, David. We're right here in central Florida on the East Coast, the angry Atlantic behind me. We're feeling the outer bands already, and this beast is still 150 miles away from us here. It is moving northwest at 13 miles per hour. You can see it on the satellite there, a nasty image coming toward Florida. I wanted to bring you through the timing of this storm. That's what is so important, the track that everyone's wondering about. It'll hug along the Space Coast overnight tonight into early tomorrow, close to Jacksonville early tomorrow through the afternoon hours. To Savannah, Charleston. It weakens as it turns back into the Atlantic. And look at this timing. I need to show you from the radar image that is happening now over Freeport, Bahamas. It goes toward Florida with that northwesterly track, hangs along the coast. You could see gusts upward of 140 miles per hour with this thing. Cape Canaveral, and then watch the timing there. By Friday evening, we go Jacksonville to Brunswick. Savannah starts to feel it. Charleston Friday night through early Saturday. So much more to come as far as what the impacts are. I'll show you storm surge. I'll show you wind. But in general, so many folks from Charleston down here through Florida on a hurricane warning. David.
Ginger Zee beginning our coverage tonight. Ginger, our thanks to you.